Exro Technologis has attracted some of the most ambitious long-term price predictions in the speculative tech sector, with certain models and bullish analyst forecasts projecting the stock could reach as high as $9.9 over the next 10 to 15 years. This lofty target is not a consensus view, but rather an extrapolation of best-case scenarios based on a combination of technological potential, industry trends, and aggressive growth assumptions. The core of this prediction centers on Exro's proprietary technology platform, which aims to optimize the efficiency and flexibility of electric motors and powertrains, key components in electric vehicles, EVs, renewable energy systems, and industrial applications. If Exro's solutions prove to be both technically superior and commercially viable, the company could secure lucrative contracts with major automakers, energy companies, and equipment manufacturers. This would open the door to exponential revenue growth, especially as the global push for electrification and clean energy accelerates. The $9.9 price target assumes that Exro not only survives but thrives in a highly competitive landscape. It depends on the company scaling its manufacturing, executing flawlessly on its business plan, and continuously innovating to stay ahead of both established giants and nimble startups. In this scenario, Exro would capture a significant share of a rapidly expanding market, benefiting from increasing demand for more efficient and adaptable electric power solutions. Financially, such a trajectory would require sustained year-over-year revenue growth, potentially in the double or even triple digits for several years running. The models projecting $9.9 typically factor in compounding annual growth rates, successful global expansion, and the achievement of profitability and positive cash flow. They also assume that Exro's intellectual property becomes a sought-after industry standard, leading to licensing deals, recurring revenue streams, and premium product pricing. Additionally, these forecasts are buoyed by the broader macro trends favoring clean technology investments. Governments worldwide are implementing stricter emissions regulations and offering incentives for EV adoption and renewable energy integration. If Exro positions itself as a critical enabler of these trends, investor sentiment could drive the stock price far beyond its current levels. It's important to note, however, that this scenario is highly optimistic and comes with considerable risk. Most mainstream analysts remain cautious, with near and medium-term price targets typically well below 1, reflecting the company's current financial position, execution risks, and the competitive nature of the industry. The $9.9 forecast is essentially a moonshot, an outcome that would require nearly everything to go right for Exro over the next decade or more. Smash that subscribe button, hit that like button,